Chidi,
Doctor.
do you have a girlfriend?
Yes, I have a girlfriend. She is a girl I intend to marry. But we do not fornicate because of how my father raised me up.
Chidi,
Doctor.
you need to ride on your girlfriend like a horse. At least once in a week, if you really want to stay alive.
But doctor, that will only happen when I've gotten married to a woman. Because I am not ready to make love to a woman that I'm not married to. I cannot fornicate.
Listen to me, Chidi. You know you're my very good friend. And I must advise you as a friend. Marry her today or tomorrow. Because riding on a woman is the cure you need now. You know, prostrate develops in older men. But the result I'm seeing here, you're too young to be passing through all this. Like I said, you're my friend. I cannot hide anything from you. I am going to prescribe drugs for you. But the real cure to your problem is in between the legs of that woman you intend to marry. But I will prescribe drugs for you. But I've told you, the real cure to your problem is between the woman.
See, my own man is a widower. So what I do with him is no money, no honey.
No honey, no money. What does that even mean?
It means the amount of money he gives to me determines what he gets from me.
Wait, are you trying to say that what Chidi gives me is not enough and I should demand more?
Yes. See, let me tell you. You see my own man. I know how to handle him. I know what and what to press, what and what to say to get anything I want from him. That's why you see me looking this fly, looking this hot. That's why you see me trending in this school.
Yes, but you know, Chidi now, he doesn't even demand anything from me. He doesn't ask for sex from me. He doesn't even ask for anything, nothing. And he still provides for me from the little he gets from that his salary as a driver. He's trying though, he's really trying for me. Seriously.
He's really trying for you. He is. Please forget that thing. Forget it. Let me tell you, you need my connection. Yes. Allow me manage you. Allow me put a body for your matter. Girl. Oh God. By the time I connect you to one or two, this your life will change. Yes. Before you know it, you start driving your own car. Cruising your car. With this shoe will be 100 years now. If you change her, say they follow who. I am telling you, you might even establish your own clinic in this school.
What?
I mean, they tell you now. Just tell me, say, Doris, put body for my matter. If I put body, everything will solve. I have the magic. It's my destiny. I will do it for people now. No way. Just allow me to do it. And you'll see the magic. Honestly, just give me go ahead. Tell me, Doris, do this thing. Tell me, Doris, handle my matter. Tell me, make I put body for your matter. And you see your life. I will change you. See this your shoe.
And the doctor said all that? Yes. This is serious. And I am thinking of commencing the material right. Hopefully. Well,
if you ask me, I don't think that's what you need. What you need are girls from Documents Hotel. those girls are chubby, sexy, and they got new arrivals. Documents it all. That's what you need.
Okay. You know I was brought up well. And I cannot commit fornication. I can only sleep with the woman that I've paid her down. Okay.
So what makes you think that Winnie wants to forfeit her nursing studies and getting married to you? What makes you think that?
I am not stopping her from schooling. She will be going to school. But I will make her visit me at least once in a week.
And what if she gets pregnant?
She will never get pregnant.
That's it. How would you know? Listen, my friend. The only girls I know that do not get pregnant are girls from Documents Hotel. You know why? Because they know they're in business. They are there for business purpose. So go for them.
Okay. Stop giving me advice. Because your advice does nothing than bring me or put me into more troubles.
Yes. Well, no problems. I will be going to play my bets so I can, win money and then go for the sweets. One thing you should know is that I bank every day. And that's the reason I do not go to the doctor for this jargon of yours.
Oh Lord, lead me not into temptation. Okay.
And then deliver yourself from this evil. Excuse me. When you're done, lock my door.
Please, I really need this money. I need it urgently. If not, I'll be sent out of school. You know this levy came in urgently and I don't have any money. There is no money in my account. My account is empty. I need the money. Okay. Okay. Alright, bye.
Hello? Winnie, my wife. Yes, I'm on duty. Yes, I have some passengers in my car now. Okay. Once I drop them, I will go straight to the bank and transfer.
Okay, they go now. No for you.
Okay, wait now. They call my wife now.
Ah, come on. What you gonna keep me here now?
Yes. He's my passenger. I will drop them now.
Okay, go. I beg you. I don't lose later.
I will transfer everything that I've made today. I will transfer it to your account now.
Okay, go.
See, okay, if you not disturb me, I go pack.
Who's that gonna
who told you they do?
Okay, they go. I beg you. Who's your wife? Who's your wife?
Everybody come down for my car. I don't want to go again. When they call my wife, they tell me, say, everybody come down for my car.
Okay, I know. Come down. Come. How?
Everybody come down.
Ma, come down.
Okay, come down. My wife is more important to me.
Oh, your wife.
Come down.
Huh?
Okay, come down.
Oh, yeah, give me back my money.
Wait. Everybody come down. Wait. It's back of your motor. Come on, your motor. Give my change. Give my change. You're mad. You're mad. Give my change. You mad. Okay, come down.
Bilal, no.
I don't call my wife. You don't tell me. Take my wife. Come on. Don't worry. Everybody come on. Don't worry. You will get problem. I don't call my wife. You don't tell me to when I call my wife. Okay, see. I don't do all those one pass. Me not. I don't want to get now. I don't want to get. What is it there?
This thing I give you take this place now.
Give me space.
I'm getting my 15 naira. You dey work. Give my 50 naira.
Okay, leave me.
Yeah, you go.
Okay, leave me.
I said give my 50 naira.
Come on.
Yeah, you go do that thing.
Okay,
Give me my 50 naira.
You get problem. Okay. Yeah, you go get problem.
50 naira, why give you a day to change?
Yeah, you go get problem.
Okay, give me my 50 naira.
Yeah, you go get
Give my
problem.
50 naira.
Yeah, you go get problem.
No go come out for here. Go. Give me my 50 naira. Give me my 50 naira, okay? Give me my 50 naira. You see this 50 naira, eh?
Winnie, be fast now. We're running late.
Come in.
Shall we?
Yes, and she just sent me money. 17,600. See? 17,600.
And you're happy. You're laughing.
Yes.
Hey, chewing gum lover. What kind of rubbish is this? Look at you. I asked mine for money and he wired me 100K with a bag. Yes, with a bag. She said, my love, just manage this money. You know, I'm just coming back from market because it deals on motor pass. Of course.
Serious?
I am serious.
100,000 naira. Hey! Now better money, yo.
No, there. That one is even small. He's having kind order for me. He's on his way now. Yes, they will soon deliver it to me. Be there. That's what I told you. No money, no money. So whatever he gives me, I give back to him. It's as simple as ABC. Maybe I'll be doing something that was something.
He just sent me a message.
Yeah, what?
He wants us to meet up today. Like, it's very urgent. He needs to travel.
So, you want to go to the village now?
You know I love him. I can't ignore him. I have to go. Let me just hear what he has to say.
Hey! Chewing gum love, oh, chewing gum love. Who did this thing to you? God, thank you for delivering me. What kind of rubbish is this? It's like buying that cast, anything. Whenever they did it, oh, I bring you out. I bring you out, my friend. Oh, don't deserve this. Now you're too beautiful for this nonsense.
But I love him now.
17,600. Can marry the same, and you're happy. So let's go. Go find the more. Hey, chewing gum lover.
Do you notice anything about Winnie recently? As in the way she used to follow Doris up and down. Yeah, they take one eye, look and walk.
How is that your business? Huh? If she chooses to follow Doris, is she not an adult? Now wow!
But she's saying the truth now. She's saying the truth. Since Winnie starts following her Doris, her character has changed automatically. She's saying the truth.
Who just talked?
And why are you looking at me like that?
Hey, shut up, my man.
Hey, please,
what do you even know? Old-fashioned human being.
Hey, you, what do you know?
What is
your problem? Are you winning me? Are you winning? If you want to become winning, you should tell us. Calm down. What is this one? Why will people be putting us in another person? You calm down. I will not calm down. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. See how they are crayfish. Doctor, are you not seeing that they're talking to me? You cannot do anything. One day more. One day.
You be coming down. Come on, they want. Come on.
Chidi, now I've heard what you said. But I don't want to be tied down in marriage now. We agreed on this long before now.
I know. But something came up. At least we have to be seen once in a week.
No problem. If you want to see me every day, if that's what you wish, no problem. You can see me every day. But it's not a reason to get married.
Seeing you. Not with face. Seeing you inside a room.
Seeing me inside room. Chidi, hey, what are you talking about? You want to Ah no, Chidi, but we promised each other that we will not do this until we get married. What has gotten into you? Why are you changing your mind now? I know what it is. It's Ikem. Ikem is corrupting you.
Leave Ikem out of this. This has to do with me leaving. Else I will die early.
What?
No, let me explain everything. The way the doctor said it.
Oh, yes. I'm hearing you. Oh, no problem. Your wife and kid, they are doing well. Very well. Take your time. No worry, take your time. When you're happy, no problem. No problem, Chief.
Good day, doctor. Good day.
Hey, how are you doing?
I'm fine. Please, Chidi is here to see you, sir.
Chidi? Yes, Chidi.
Alright.
Let him in, huh?
Okay, sir.
My own doctor.
Oh, Chidi.
Doctor, my own brother.
Chidi, my man.
Yes, sir.
Sit down.
So, how's work?
Fine, everything is fine. So, yes. I know you like it. Yes, come on, please. I want to
My own doctor.
So you were still planning to have sex? I thought I have done it already. My friend, go and marry and continue doing this thing for good health's sake, okay?
I want to ask you. You know I've not done it before. So, how do I start?
Oh, how do you start? You can start by biting off her ear or nod her on her nose.
I am serious.
See, Chidi, you have to go now. I have a patient that had more serious problem. Maybe when you're ready to bite her ear, you can come back. We can go.
You are my friend.
Chidi, leave my office.
Fine.
Chidi, go and ride on a woman. Go. What kind of nonsense is this? What kind of woman being is this one?
The man with so much cash. The man Jezebel called.
She is as beautiful as you said.
Hey.
So no matter sharp.
Hi. Yeah, I'll see you. I'm coming. I want this.
So now then what is sharp?
Is it sharp, but a sharp. See, since I'm your bestie's girl,
Yes.
and she is my best friend, I would like you to make her your second wife.
For no balance.
Since your wife could not conceive,
Yes.
every year one, not drop her again.
Wonderful.
Now, wow, what the fatal now? What do you know for?
Oh, yeah, not John.
So, you know now, you need to do something. Water the ground. The money man. You have to water the ground. There's no problem. Take good care, huh? The money man.
You gotta go.
Do you know you are very impossible? Do you know that?
Impossible how? I only told you the truth and nothing but the truth. So how do you mean?
It's about winning. She accepted. And she also told me that she'll be needing serious money to maintain her shape and also to protect herself from unwanted pregnancy.
Do you know what baffles me? She said
we can be meeting even when we've not gotten married. Boy Kim, I am not in for that. Do you know why? I want to go to heaven.
Well, that is not a problem. Choose to die. Or listen to what she says to you and leave. Anyways, you guys can get married someday, so that's not a problem.
You can need to know that I can only sleep with the woman that is my wife. That is why I'm in a hurry to pay her bride price. The ceremony can come later. Okay?
Okay. No problems. I'll get you someone to do tomorrow, if she's already.
It is only winning. Very well then. I'm going to play my game. See you later. He came.
Babes, I don't know why you're wasting your time. Eh? Why are you wasting your time with that idiot? See, Onyenko is ready to take care of you. He's ready to make you a billionaire. What is your problem?
Onyenko will have to wait. I'm waiting for Chidi. Except Chidi fails, then I can consider Onyenko.
Hey! Even if them do you juju, you know if you say no, reject them now. Eh? You wait for Chidi to fail before you consider Onyenko the money man. See, if you are not ready, I will hook Onyenko up with another person because I'm tired of this your sneezing. What's all this one?
Winnie.
Chidi.
I need to see you inside now.
Really?
Yeah, I did something crazy and I got this 50,000. And I raised this 50k.
50? Wait though. Hope you're not being followed by police. Oh my god. Hope police is not coming to this house. This guy has gone to rob. Hey! Please, people should not involve me.
Make you think I'm life may be better frozen. Sometimes it go bad, sometimes it go good. This life no balance.
My friend. Ogadunga, Chidi is not around.
Chidi is not around. I know you are hiding him somewhere. Get inside and bring him.
Chidi is not around now. Chidi has not come back for some time now.
You have not seen Chidi for 2 days. My friend, for 3 good days, I have not seen Chidi, I have not seen my taxi, I have not seen alert, no transfer.
Maybe he went for a drop or something.
A drop? So that's the reason why I have not gotten alert, eh? It's okay. No problem. Tell him that I will return. No. I will return. You want to play with me? No. I will return. Wait for me.
Ogadunga, I don't know why you're opening your eyes like that. Chidi is not around. It has not got you to you threatening me to return. It's not work that is working for you.
What did you just say?
Yeah. What I'm trying to say is that he got the honey and he also got the money.
So, what happens afterwards?
Look, we performed a mock bride price payment and a mock traditional wedding. So he said he doesn't want to commit any sin. So we had to do that before we started anything. So somehow, I am now married to him and he owns me, kind of.
Yay! Are you okay? No, Winnie, are you all right?
What are you talking about? He actually was begging me and acting as if he was going to die. He was crying.
Let him die!
I know. I had to do it for him.
My God, what kind of rubbish is that? I don't think you're fine. You're not sound. Traditional marriage, bride price, in your room, without elders, no parents. What's this? I don't just get this rubbish you're saying now. I don't get it.
But I had to save him. I really had to.
Save him from what? No, save him from what? Listen, Onyenko, the money machine man, the man that deals with pounds and dollars, Onyenko, he is ready to buy you a house. Wire your account, wire, left, right, back, front. He can even buy you a house. And you're here misusing the opportunity, messing yourself, fooling yourself with that idiot.
Doris, no now.
Chidi is what? He is what? See, you have to stop fooling yourself. You need your visa. I don't feel you're alright.
So don't you look down on the man unless say you did look at him shoot this life from that.
You can guess. Guess. Just guess. You can guess.
What is it? Wait a minute. It's like you tested your first honey today.
Yes, again.
That was nice.
But that was after I paid that bride price.
Paid that bride price?
Yes. And guess what? We are both married. I am not committing fornication.
Wait a minute. You're getting me confused. Where did you get the 50,000 naira from first, before we start talking about the rest? Where did you get the 50,000 from?
About the 50,000. You know my taxi, right?
Yes.
I sold the gearbox, the new gearbox, and the spare tire. Then I fixed in the old gearbox.
You did what? Are you out of your mind? Have you gone insane? You robbed your boss with a supposed stupid and hopeless marriage.
You may have escaped hellfire, but I think you're in the real hell now.
Because your boss is out there looking for you with policemen. What has come over you?
Winnie is going to lead you into early grave.
I have told you, let me go out and get you a chubby, sweet-looking girl from Document Hotel. And I can assure you, she's not going to lead you to death before giving you this honey. All she needs is where to sleep, where to rest her head, cover herself. Why am I even discussing this with you? Let me just go and get her for you. You did. I am going to get her for you.
Ikem what?
Ikem, don't Ikem me. I am getting her for you.
This life no balance, nothing is meant to last forever. So don't you look down on them.
I forget. Woo! Let's go.
So don't you look down on them, man. Unless say you do look at him shoot this life and not.
How is that my business? How does it affect or concern me? How? Oh, meanwhile, my car, my latest car, will arrive tomorrow. And soon, I will move into the house the chief built for me. And just so you know, you are not invited. You are not welcomed. Yes. And tonight, oh my word, tonight, I will give him sweet honey. Hey! I didn't catch Bruce forget.
Wait, is it that I've been stupid? Is that what it is?
Before you out yourself, please let's go in it.
Tomorrow if he get you, tomorrow if he make a move, so don't you look down on the man unless say you do look at him shoot this life from Nigeria. Do not conclude on anybody. So life from Nigeria.
I did not touch you. You did not eat anything. So you what now you eat now, eh? This is provide my food in this house. Provide it out to this house. Look at the food I kept. They've eaten it. Oh, actually, calming down. Where's my food in this house?
Why are you people making noise now? I'm hearing your voice from far. What's going on again?
Did you eat my food?
Yeah. All I carry your food and do now.
No, I'm suspecting you. Your mouth is saying another thing and your face is saying another thing.
I did not eat your food.
Uju, you ate it. You were the only one complaining.
Okay, yes, I ate the food, so you want to beat me? Did you eat my food the other day?
Is that what you're saying? Yes. So that's what you're saying. Did you eat my food the other day? Did you eat your Go to CNN and announce it now. Why are you making a big of common food? Hey. You ate my food and you still have the mouth to talk. Are you not going from the kitchen? You not see the food stuff I bought there. So is it not what I want to prepare? Come and prepare it. Come and prepare it. You're making noise. Come and prepare it.
Make you think I'm judging. Life no be bed of roses. Sometimes it go bad, sometimes it go good. This life no balance, Nothing is meant to last forever. So don't you look down on them.
Jesus! Who are you? Who sent you? I said, who are you? And who sent you here? What are you doing in my room?
You're awake. Come on. I'm Jenny. When Ikem brought me here, you were far asleep, so I didn't want to disturb you. I already know your name is Chiboy, and Ikem told me everything, so I am here.
Will you get back and get off me? Now! Listen, I am a married man and I cannot commit extramarital affair. Get out now, this minute. Leave.
Married.
God, help me. Get out now. I said out. Out. Leave. Now. Leave. Now. Ah!
You are exactly and truly what they say you are. Let me pay the money before the honey. Take this money and tell me your name again.
Chief, I am married. I am married.
Chekwa, are you not Winnie's?
My name is Winnie. Winnie, not Winnie's.
Whether Winnie's or Winnie, they are all win-win, my dear. Your friend Doris told me about you and that you're ready and eager to be my girl. Even my wife at home, who could not give me a child, she doesn't have a womb. She has concurred to you becoming my second wife.
See, Chief, before I got admission here, I've had this boy, though he's small, but we've been together. You know, we love each other. He loves me so much. And everybody in the village knows us as happy youngsters. A while ago, he proposed to me and I accepted. In fact, we are married somehow. Yes, he owns me because he proposed to me and then paid 50,000 naira to me as my bride price in my room there. And even bought malt. You know, we just conducted the traditional wedding ceremony in that room. He paid the bride price, we were happy, we danced, we drank malt, you know, and then we ate biscuits and we are married in fact. It's just that I haven't informed my parents, but I will very soon.
Wait, young girl. Are you sure you are right?
How? I don't understand. Do I look insane to you?
Of course, you are insane in the main brain. Because what you just said doesn't make any kind of sense. Not even common sense. That you got married, you drink malt and whatever. Who does that?
I don't know what you're talking about. I've told you the truth about my life. I don't know. Please, I have lectures inside. Let me go inside. I wish you well. If I see you again, fine. If I don't, bye-bye. No.
Make you think I'm judging. life no be better frozen. Sometimes it go bad, sometimes it go good. This life
Ogadunga, please, I beg you. I beg you in the name of God. I believe this thing is spiritual. It's a spiritual matter. Maybe the spirit must have also attacked the gear. I strongly believe it's a spiritual attack that actually affected that gear. Please.
My friend, my mechanic told me that the gear in that car is not the gear I bought last month. Even the spare tires is not in that car. That means Chidi is not only eating my money, but Chidi is selling parts of my cars.
Ogadunga, I swear it's not true. It's not true. See, I swear.
Shut up your mouth, Mr. Man. See, let me tell you. During my days, I've done such things. Yes. So don't swear for anybody.
Ogadunga, you said during your time, you've done things like this? That means you're a thief.
You're a stupid man. Come on, leave this place. You will rot in that police custody.
I'm sorry, I didn't mean it. Ogadunga, please, temper justice with mercy now. I swear, I know you didn't do it. Ogadunga, please now. Please, temper justice with mercy. What kind of trouble is this? And he has done such a thing before. That means he's a bigger thief. He's a bigger
Girls. Oh, I forgot to give people this gist now.
What is it?
You've not been noticing what is happening in this institution recently.
What?
You've not been noticing Chief Onyenku around this institution recently.
I've been seeing him around. But what about him?
That man has been coming here because of winning now.
That same winner. How many winning do we have? That same winner. She's the one now. And this is annoying part of it. What?
I've been flaunting myself. This man doesn't want to even notice me. That's the annoying part of it.
Seriously. I better forget that thing, no. Me and me, no. If I see that kind of thing, I mean.
You're looking good, though. What happened? I didn't see you in school today.
School?
Yes.
So come and do what?
Just normal lecture.
To come and study with you girls.
But that's what you came to school to do now.
So while my mates are out there making money and getting the honey,
which one is honey again?
You want me to come and study? Anyways, I know you girls were gossiping about me.
No. Were we saying anything?
No, we're just talking.
I overheard you. Did we say anything?
We're just talking.
Look at them.
So you look
Let's come and look for them. You see that thing I'm saying?
Make you think I'm jaja. Life not be better frozen. Sometimes you go bad, sometimes you go good. This life no balance.
How did you go?
Are you sure she's not having a mental problem?
No, she is perfectly sound. See, Oyenko, don't mind her. You see this rubbish she's doing? She started with that chewing gum boyfriend right from childhood. But I tell you, she's all yours. By the time you give her cool cash and a brand new car, everything will change. It will change.
But I just gave her raw cash. Nkodendo. She rejected it.
I know what to do. Plan B. I will send you her account number. Fire money. When I mean fire money, 10 years ago, na the account. Then the car will come as a surprise. everything will seal. Obrozenke.
That's a smart idea.
Oyanko.
Very smart idea.
Oyanko.
Eh? The lovely honey of my good friend, Akajugo.
Nah, me.
And my father.
You go to me. Don't hear him. Oyanko. That's why I always... What are you doing here? Oh, are you not supposed to be inside? Oh no, he's a patient actually. He said his heart is paining him, so I'm trying to tell him some things to do about it. I'll do that first. Thank you. Don't mind them. Later we'll see. Thank you. So, yeah. Woo. How's it, girls? Oh.
Today was hectic.
Why are you running from her? Are you worried? Oh, just glad. Wow. What is happening? See, babes, listen. Why I asked you to come to my house is this. We are clubbing tonight.
Oh, really?
What
about Winnie?
We have forgotten that she girl. She's just anyhow you know me. I connected her to Chief. Up till now, she has not responded to him. Even with his money, he has been begging her. One kind of move get. So that girl won't make her lose money for that Chief day. She wants him to lose money.
Hey. Afanami, connect me to Chief. If you are sexy, if you listen to my matter.
Make her connect you to Chief. Stand up ever since. Sit down. You know the Chief spec. You know carry for here. On top of the matter, come to what? My Chief see you know give me money.
Now wow.
You know give me money. So
I will get you and show.
Calm down. So like what I said,
yeah.
Go to your houses, change into your club boys. That's all. You can go. Okay.
Just go and change.
You calm down. Look hot, oh. Very some, you know.
Make I go catch fish.
Big tunes are coming, oh. Big tunes. My friends, don't call me, oh. I got big.
All right.
She girls.
Stop now, stop it. See, stop it. Eh? What is your problem now?
What is going on? Eh? I don't understand you. Seriously, I don't understand you. You're the only sex worker that's giving me attitude, making guy on top. What's going on?
I am not what you just called me now. I have never slept with any man all my life.
And you expect me to believe this historical jargon that just came out of your mouth, right?
I am not saying it for you to believe me, but I can swear with anything. The reason I followed you here is because I was hoping to meet a new friend who I can share all my stories with. But even if I like Chidi and I have feelings for him, I can't have anything to do with him because he's a married man and he also has a court case.
Chidi's never married. I think Chidi is the man that will give you what you really desire. Chidi is that man that can make a better man for you. As a result,
What is it?
Please stay here, don't go out. Just stay here, don't come outside.
Why? Listen. Yeah. Thank you. I got a distress call from Chidi saying that he's in police custody.
Yes. And all this happened because of you.
Because of me?
Oh yes.
How?
Since you started making big demands of money from Chidi, Chidi started stealing and lying. Chidi even went ahead to sell his gas gearbox. Sell the gas stereo, another valuable item just to please you. Now Judah is making demand of 500,000 else and you sue to court.
500,000 naira?
Yes, 500,000. 500,000. Otherwise, he's going to be sentenced for 10 years imprisonment and 20 years awaiting trial.
I'm coming.
Excuse me.
What?
Are you running?
Running? I'm coming. I need to do something fast.
It's okay.
You said? 5,000 what? See, Winnie's. It's not clear. Don't worry, just come back first, eh? When you come back, we'll talk. I said I'm not hearing you clearly now. Just cut, we'll talk about it. Okay, take care, yeah. Chief. Oyenko Nelo. Oyenko. The money man. Money making machine. No chief, no money in this world. Them they mad. Chief, you don't shell it. It don't happen. The idiot is in police custody as we speak. See, Chief, you will not send her any money now. Don't send her any money. Allow them to wele her. Let them give her serious bege. Let them brutalize her. Then she will not have any option than to run to you. And I told you, Chief, she is yours and yours forever. Who won't challenge now? Chief, who won't breathe? Who they cap? They're not rich. Just hold on. Hold on. I will tell you when to send that money. Yes. Don't send anything now. I know what I'm telling you. We they play the game. Calm down. Oyanko! Now we they run this matter. I tell you now. Take care. Oh, yeah, bye. Chief! Oh. If you say she gets sense, if you say she wants it.
Was that the girl in whom you just locked me down here? Is that the wife?
Well, no. That is the idiot that landed Chidi into trouble and flee when she had 500,000 is the only solution to get him out of the police net.
500 what?
500,000. Is there anything the matter?
That's a whole lot of money.
Yes.
I mean, money was the reason I left school at 300 level. I was brought here by my friend because she promised me there was work and there is hope. There is money in the city. It's
okay, sit down. Will you sit down?
Right, make you take up jaja. Life no be better frozen. Sometimes it go bad, sometimes it go good. This life no balance.
What are you going to do with it? Let him die there. Yes, he will die there. Because when I was calling you, he gave me deference. You feel maybe I was talking trash. I don't know what I was saying. Now look at it. Nothing good can ever come from chewing gum boyfriends, chewing gum lovers, all these stupid yeah. nothing can ever come out from them. But you refuse to listen. Real men that make real money, that are ready to spend on you, they give it to you. They have that form. And you're busy collecting peasants, collecting rubbish from chewing milk. Now look at it. He's in police detention. Mwanga, bail him. Where is the 500,000? Do you have it? Ijia? Do you have 500,000? You don't have now. Oh, you don't have.
Hey, God. Doris, please now. Please, you need to help me here now. You need to help me. Please, save me. Save me and save him. Please. Doris, please. You know you have to help me.
She said,
yes, please save me.
So when next I'm talking to you, will you listen to me? Eh?
Yes.
You will listen. Because that's the only way I can come in and even try to talk to people on your behalf. Do you understand?
No problem. Just help me.
Please. It's when you start listening well. But if you continue doing I have it now. I will not help you.
I will listen to you.
Are you sure?
Yes. Please. Please tell me you help me. Just confirm to me that you will help me.
Are you not thinking straight?
Yes, I am. Please.
I'll think about it. I'll watch you. I have to watch
Think
you.
about it. It's
No, think about it.
Is there anything that I know now?
You still love him.
Now.
You still love him.
Let me just bring him out first now.
With whose money? With whose
Don't
money?
do this now. Help me here.
Hello, Winnie. Winnie, please do not drop this call. I am trying to tell you that I went to the police station and Chidi is threatening to take his own life if he didn't get to see you. Hello? Hello?
What happened?
Hello?
What happened?
She hangs the call again.
Since it happened. Wow.
What is the problem with this Winnie of a girl? Why is this girl so heartless? Why is she so mean? If she's the one in this trouble, Chidi will do everything possible to ensure that she comes out.
So what do we do now?
Honestly, I don't know. I don't know. I was able to get 60,000 naira from my bet. I played a game and it won't go anywhere. If she had listened to me, I will see if she can raise anything and let me add to it to see if this man will accept it.
I have some small savings. Yes, I actually wanted to use it and open a beauty shop. You know, I wanted to start up a business when I realized what my friend does for a living. So, since the situation is like this, I don't mind taking the whole money out from the bank if that will help for him.
Wait a minute, I didn't hear you clearly. Like you want to help with the money. Thank you so very much.
Okay, let's just go to the pizza.
I want to thank you so very much.
Please, when is Brachidi coming back?
Pretty soon. We're still making arrangements for that.
Sure, I pray he returns back. I really miss him.
Oh na na na, oh na na. Now so we there for the corner, they watch it, they let by the price out. They say na person we get money, na him go they chop the honey. If you go, I say nene, honey na money, honey na money. If you don't get money, hide your face out. Make you hide your face out. I sure you don't hear them say money na honey.
I'm ready for you, fine girl. I just bought a tin of Wese.
But I thought you said I should come so that I can go with you and collect the money cash.
So that you can go and bail that thief and start telling me stories. I am a businessman. I only pay for goods I see with my eyes. So let's go. You give me the honey, I'll give you the money. And that will be enough for you. Not the one I will give you, then you go and bail that thief from the police cell.
So Doris told you?
Yes. And that was the only reason you changed your no to yes. Like I said, no one cheats me in business. If you are for me, I am ready for you. Okay? But I will not give you money to go and bail that small thief from the police cell. If that is what you're thinking, now bad business you buy for yourself.
In that case, keep your money. I am not going with you.
Ochebuam, I will keep my money. There are too many honeys out there. You don't need to ask Mr. Bunny. I'll keep my money. If uncle. Oh, here you go.
Oh na na na, oh na na, aye. Now so we there for the corner, they watch it, they let by the price out. They say na person we get money, now him go they chop the honey. If you go, I say honey na money.
Ogaduga, don't be angry. Okay, she has been the lady running around for Chidi, preparing food for him inside the cell.
He's still eating?
Yes, sir. Sir, she has been running around to make up this money. We've almost sold everything Chidi have, and
she almost gets herself into prostitution just to raise this money.
So how much is it?
It's 112. My friend, leave this place. I see you, I'll get you arrested. Let's see. If you see this man here, feed them. When are we going to release him?
Are you releasing him? Are you releasing him, sir? Thank you, sir. Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you.
Make you hide your face.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
We go keep the bench. Now him go the bench. They don't talk. Say money na honey.
Ogadunga, so when will you release him now?
Make you hide your face. Make you hide your face. Because honey na money.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Money na money. Money na honey. Money na honey. Honey na money. Honey na money.
I already know this. You messed up with me. Went there and messed up as usual. What is your problem?
See, Doris, see, I don't like the way he made me feel. He made me look like a cheap whore hawking for money.
And so?
I'm not cheap like that now. I don't like things
Please, let me
like that.
hear. You don't like what like that? See, babes, you need to shine your eyes. Open your eyes because now street we dey. You don't understand. What's your problem? So you prefer that your chewing-gum boyfriend? Eh? Hey, if care is not taken, you might end up in jail with him.
Jail?
Yes!
God forbid.
Papa, God forbid. God forbid. It will happen, no? Eh? What is your problem now? I have told you, your honey, you need to give it to men with money. I am telling you the truth. Eh? What's all this? You keep making me lose money anyhow. Please get into the car. Let's leave this place.
have been duped. Honestly, we have been duped.
Duped? What are you talking about?
That man is a big abber and a perfect thief at that.
Wait, are you saying that the money we gave him, everything is gone? How possible is that?
I'm sorry, yes. All the money is gone.
Jesus.
Nikhil. Jane. Chidi. Jenny. Thank you people for everything you've done. Okay? Bonga told me everything. I'm so grateful. Ikem, my man. Thank you. It's okay.
Can I?
I have to be on my way.
Chief, have fun now. The money we send you against it.
Okay.
Please. I'll see you later.
My girl!
What? Look at this one. See what you gave me now? To use this.
See, you have to chillax, so he's using this money to test you. You don't know him.
Oh yeah,
Money, my machine.
I need money now. See, the day he came to visit me at the school center, he gave me that bundle I saw was more than 100,000 naira. So why is he giving me this now?
Yeah. See, you don't even know why I'm laughing. Because this is a man that can buy me a mansion.
Don't tell me, you know what I need this money for. I need this money.
Yes.
Next what? This money is not enough for anything. I want to go. You know what I need money for? I need money.
When you stop stressing yourself, I don't know why you're okay, man. I said, calm down, this man is testing. Oh yeah, but he has money. Watch your money. Calm down, this money is not big.
You want to pay now?
I didn't think it was today here. I said, calm down, he's just testing you.
Oh.
This is a man that will buy you a house. Mansion for that.
Hey, sort my problem out first. You know what I'm talking about.
It's small. Just calm down.
Oh na na na, oh na na, now so we there for the corner.
I am sorry, Jenny. I know seriously you've tried for me, but there's nothing I can do. I am married to Winnie. I know something might have happened to Winnie that made her stop picking my calls, but I must find out. But that's not a good reason for me to jump into another woman because she stopped picking my calls. Jenny, I must find out the reason why she has not picked and if anything is wrong with her. I am sorry. Okay?
It's okay. I know the reason why you're treating me like this. It's because I was picked from that hotel. So for that reason, I am considered a whore. But it's fine.
That's the problem.
Okay.
Jenny, that's the problem. The problem here is that I cannot even get married to another woman, not to talk of a whore. Come on. Like I said before, you've tried for me. I will do everything within my powers to return the money you brought, the 46,000. All you have to do is leave your account for me. Okay? I'll pay you back the money. You can come in. But if Winnie comes in here and see you, I'm in problem. So you have to come in and leave as soon as possible. Please. Jenny.
Because honey na money, honey na money, honey na money, money na honey, money na honey, honey na money, honey na money, honey na money, oh honey na money, money na honey, money na honey, honey na money.
Hello? Abadani Chida, Okoma. Oh, you mean the containers have to go down? 12 of them. I will definitely pay for 12 of them. Yes. Eh? Abada. 18 million is too much now. I remember the last time you made me pay 60 million naira. I understand. I'm aware that dollar has increased, but it's not enough reason for you to add up this kind of amount now. Okay, let's make it 17 million each. And that will amount to 204 million naira for the 12 containers. Yes. I will just go to the nearest Oriental bank and effect the transfer so that my boys will start to sell the market. Ozubo. You will get my alert very, very soon. Thank you. Fine girl. Let me go and take care of this small business and then we can go somewhere and chop some money.
A small business? You call a business of 204 million naira small business?
This is a small thing. Akuna Takasi, my friend, and I did a business of 680 million naira just last month. And I never purchased a warehouse because of it. I am living my life small because of the bad boys in town. You understand? Onyanku Jimone, just chill for me. You will enjoy. Hey.
So if you no get the money, make you hide your face. Make you hide your face. Because honey na money, honey na money, honey na money, money na honey, money na honey, honey na money, honey na money, honey na money, oh honey na money, money na honey, money na honey, honey na money.
He said he's a married man and cannot have anything to do with a prostitute like me. I don't blame him. It's because of the way you met me. That's why he's treating me like this. But you know what? I will just go and do the prostitution he's accusing me of.
No,
or others to go and die.
Please, Jane, please, I beg you. I beg you. Listen, he's a fool. And should be treated as one. You don't need to do this, please. I beg of you. Just come with me, please. Come, let's go.
I am not going back to his house. I will never do that. Never.
Fine. Then come with me to my house so we can get this whole thing sorted out at once. I beg of you. You don't need to go back to the streets. Please.
Because of you.
So we dey for the corner, they watch it, they like by the price of. They say na person wey get money, na him go dey chop the honey. Everywhere, I say honey na money, honey na money. If you no get money, hide your face out. Make you hide your face out. I sure you don't hear them say money na honey. I na the highest bid that we go give the bullshit. Now him go the bench. They don't talk say money na honey.
Chidi!
So if you no get the money, make you
Chidi!
hide your face. Make you hide
Chidi!
your face. Because honey na money.
And he didn't tell you where he was going to?
Oh, I overheard him talking to someone on the phone that is going to see his wife.
Talking to Yele? Talking to who? Ha! Chidi! Okay. There's no problems. I'm here. Let him go and come back. I never knew Chidi was the greatest fool ever born. Let him go and come back. Ohumba. Nonsense. He's calling his wife. No one wife.
I can't please forget. Hey. Wow. Just you. Look at you. Just look at you. That's you fine. You're so cute. Hey. You are welcome to the real world of class of women. Just look at you. But I can't help but feel bad for him. Will you just stop this rubbish? Huh? Don't you talk this way to make me vex? Which one you can't help but feel bad for who? That guy was just a liability, nothing more. Big liability. Do you understand? Come on, girl, just come out of this your shell. Let's give the honey to the real men with money. You want that good? You know what? We'll just go out there, have chill drinks. With a catch cruise for get. Let's go, Nico. With a catch cruise for get. Let's go. Let's go.
Do you want to talk or you want me to take action? What has come over you? That girl you drove out of your house was the greatest gift God can give to a man. And then you drove her out. Are you out of your senses?
No, keep on shouting. Because you know how to shout. Ikem, I do not want a gift from a whore. I want my Winnie. Winnie has been my problem.
So why did you come back crying? I was told how you went to her school to see her. And then she abandoned you. She even refused to pick your calls. She even abandoned you at the police station. And then you have the mouth, you have the infantry to even talk.
Ikem, I came back crying because I met her and I saw her hugging a man. A big man with a big car. And you expect me to come back celebrating because my Winnie hugged a man. Ikem!
Wait a minute. Can you hear yourself talk? Now listen, let me tell you something. There is something you have failed to understand about yourself. And I think I have to explain that to you now. Chidi, you're the greatest fool ever born. Someone that did what Winnie did to you will break her head and delete her out of his life. But look at you. You came back talking about how she's your everything. Chidi, I am leaving your place and never to come back again. But listen to me. Make sure you pay me my money. Bring back my money, else it will be war. Go and collect all you have given to her and return my money. Else, and that of Jenny, I will make her my wife. Because any woman that can do what Jenny did for you is worth calling a wife material. I am ashamed of you. I should know better that you're a fool.
Ikem, it has gotten to the level of you calling me a fool because of the women. Good and fine. I will pay you your money. Ikem, I will pay you your money. But let me tell you something. Thank God today somebody gave me a taxi, an old taxi. I will hustle and pay back your money.
Why am I banding words with you? I don't even know why I am having this exchange of words with you. Now listen to me, my friend. For the very last time, I am leaving your place and never to come back again.
As I'm leaving, I am sending my account number to you. Failure to receive that money today, I swear to God, you will not like me. Fool.
He came. Oh, good and fine. You are shouting because I'm owing you money. How much? I'll pay. But I promise you, he came. You must come back.
Don't nickel me. I brought my girl to you and you snatched her. Wait, is my body no longer good for you? Or I'm not too old for you?
Nico, I did not snatch your friend.
So?
I took her to my friend, but it didn't work out, so my friend decided to keep her. Is that understood?
Never! See, I have a plan of making money from that girl's head. Is it that you give me the 100,000 I plan to make on her head? Or you give me back the girl?
Excuse me?
Excuse you what?
But the girl does not want to hug. She's a decent girl.
Oh!
So do you want to force it out of her?
Wait, you think you can give her a decent life? Look who is talking decency.
Something can make one change. That's just it.
Never. I said never. Is either you give me that 100K before evening, or hell will let loose. Don't try me. I mean every single word that is coming out from my mouth. Don't try me. I will not repeat myself. Let me not look for you. No.
They say na person wey get money, na him go dey chop the honey. Everyone, I say honey na money, honey na money. If you no get money, hide your face out. Make you hide your face out.
You must do it. I said you must do it. I said I won't do it. You must do it. I enter that do it for this community. You dey form nice girl for me. If I say you don't know, say what's your problem? Stop now. Stop what? Stop what? Why are you doing this? Doing what? You think I get shame? I don't get shame for eyes. What's your problem? Do you have my 100,000? Do you have it?
Let's go to the house and sort this.
Sort what out? Let them look at me! Embarrassment, you call it. I don't have shame! No shame again! I don't have shame. Don't interrupt this, no. I will deal with Hey! I will deal with you, please. Please, what? Want this girl not stopping on the road again. Want her not stopping on the road again.
Ever since I started driving Ogas on his taxi, there's been from one problem to another. Wait, I think I have to go and beg Oga Donga. Because his vehicles has never given me any issues one day. That is what I will do. Let me call that's what it is. Yes, good morning, sir. Okay. Hello? Ogason. Your vehicle is parked at Wogonogo Street. I'm done driving, I beg. This your car is giving me one problem to another. In the morning I will leave the house, I will end up opening the bonnet and in fact, I'm tired. From one mechanic to another.
I'm leaving the car there. Come and carry your car. In fact, I'm closing the bonnet. Come and carry the car. Don't tell me. From one problem to another, one problem to another. Okay, I'm leaving the car.
That taxi driver now, Chidi, that used to come to our school then.
To come and pick me?
Yes.
I know him now. What about it?
You know that Winnie has left him. I heard she's now dating one sugar daddy.
One sugar daddy? And I even heard that the sugar daddy's friend. Yes, now.
Hey.
But Doris, the brand new car.
You don't mean it.
And I know that very soon, Winnie will have her own car too.
Hey! Well, I'm happy for them. But my only concern is that they should do the right thing.
Where are they getting all this money from? I'm looking for my own sugar daddy.
As
far as I am like this, one sugar daddy will just buy me one new brand car. I will be carrying you now.
Don't worry, you will do 21 days prayer and fasting.
No, I don't want fasting. You know I don't like fasting.
There, you're not ready now.
No, I don't like fasting.
Hey, my lord. Onyenko will be so happy to hear this. Because this is exactly what he has been waiting for. Honestly.
Onyenko. But you and I know the truth. You know very well that Onyenko is not the owner of this pregnancy. I was ovulating the last time I was with Chidi, and I'm sure he owns this pregnancy.
Lie. It can never be for Chidi. Lie. See, don't spoil business for me. What kind of talk is this one now? Is it the same Chidi you said you saw sweating and pushing an old taxi that owns this child? I will not be alive to hear this one. What kind of rubbish talk is that one? See, don't worry. I know how to break the news to Onyenko. Hey, Onyenko, once he hears this, oh my word, everything will change. Just wait and see this magic, I'm telling you.
But this is not fair now. This is not right. Why would I give another man's child to Onyenko? No, now, instead, let me abort the pregnancy.
Abort Guinea? Hey! You want to spoil business for me? Hey, Winnie, if you try this one, no, don't even go there, don't even think about it. Lie. See, let me tell you, Onyenko gave me 200,000 naira just for connecting you to him. Now think of how much I will make when he hears this great news. Okay, forget about me. You, hey, Jesus Christ, what Onyenko will do for you, he will turn your life around. You will make so much money. This is time for us to cash out, and you're telling me you will abort it. It's just, not even, if you think of any rubbish thing in your head, I will not even go there. Hey, see cash out season. Hey, we will make so much money. But see, what there's no pot. Wait, there's no pot here. Just wait and see. Wait and see what will happen. Now, I don't like when you do this sometimes.
Chidi, I'm sorry I cannot see you. I cannot discuss anything with you. Go and write only woman. That's the solution to your problem.
Look, doctor, I stole Doctor, I even went to detention because of her. Then I paid her dowry. Do you know that after paying her dowry, she left me for another man? Now, doctor, let me tell you, there's no woman to ride on now. As I'm talking to you, I'm even feeling the pain like it's coming back like right now. Chibi!
Leave my office.
Doctor.
I said leave my office!
But, doctor, there is... see...
You leave my office. I was not posted here just because of your case. I have more than 100 people that need my attention. Leave.
You're my friend. Fine. A friend, indeed. Chidi is a friend. You know the right thing to do. Go. Rubbish. Nurse! Nurse!
Yes, sir.
Call me. Yes, call me another patient.
Okay.
And don't allow this boy to cross that station again.
Okay, sir.
What kind of nonsense is this? Chidi every day, Chidi. Simple thing to do. Ride on a woman and be okay. Nonsense. Nurse! Nurse!
Yes, doc. You called?
Yes, get me another patient.
Okay, sir.
And come, don't allow that Chidi to pass that reception again. Okay. Do you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Chidi. Simple thing. Ride on a woman. Just ride on a woman. Only. And be fine.
Doris, the good news almost pushed me to the gutters. I know I am the fire, and I am the shooter. And I have shot a wonderful baby inside her. Hey! Onyanko gabunna nwa. I am almost there. Hey, very soon.
I told you that I will have nothing to do with you, so why are you calling me? Do you have my money now or that of my wife?
Ike, please. Let's not talk about that now. Ike, I'm dying. Ike, I need a woman, please. I need a woman. My woman or any other woman, please. I am really dying. Ike, please help me. My world is collapsing. And I'm going mad. Ike, please help me. Ike, please. Ike.
I told you I've made her my wife. I am not going to... In fact, I shouldn't be having this conversation with you. What do you want me to do? Please, just carry your cross.
Ike, please. Ike, please. Ike, please. Ike, I am dying. Ike, please help me, please.
I am done with this conversation.
Ike, please. Ike.
Your generation, for life. Hey!
Very mad.
That is my baby now.
Make her hammer, make she.
Winnie! Winnie is here! The money making machine is here!
Mania. Look at the stomach. Just look at the stomach.
Winnie, because I'm going to go and welcome.
Back down!
Let me wait for you. Hey! Da. No, but I tell you, I said I'm full. What is that? No, because I'm packing the money. Calm down, we'll share. Is anybody there? Stop being popo. Calm down. Calm down here. Now me do all this thing. Calm down. Later we'll share. They go now. They go share. Let me call you out. I don't tell you to go back. You won't go anywhere. No.
And who am I delivering the car to?
Nobody but the incoming mother of my child. Winnie, of course.
Okay, sir, I have to run now.
Hello, honey. I just sent you a brand new car to thank you for confirming that I'm a man. And then your G-Wagon will land Gidibam before you give birth to my child. You have just made me the happiest man. Now the whole world will know that it is not my fault that I don't have a child. Rather, that my lousy wife in the house. All she knows how to do is eat. Thank you. Enjoy. I will see you.
What's wrong with you? As far as you are, is this keke boy? Come, you go. Did you sleep on our bed?
No, on top of your roof.
Hey, Chibo! On top of the bed, we all contributed money for. You're free. Come for talk to this girl, she needs sense. Hey!
You see your man. He's not even our beg.
No. Don't baby me. Can you imagine your friends insulting me? Understand what? Hey, don't come alive again. Sugar who? Who's your sugar? It's over.
You have chasing me. Who will be giving it to me hot now?
Judy, look at what you're doing to yourself. Look at her. Despite all my efforts to make her my wife, she still prefers you. This is your opportunity. Take her or you lose her forever.
Life may be better frozen. Sometimes you go back, sometimes you go good. This life no balance, yo. Nothing is meant to last forever. So don't.
What? Judy. Look at what you're doing to yourself. Look at her. Despite all my efforts to make her my wife, she still prefers you. This is your opportunity. Take her or you lose her forever.
Wait. See, you see today, So because I did not allow her to stay in your house, you went and hid her somewhere. You see today, you show me where you are hiding her. You must, or I will kill you and kill myself. You know what I can do?
You have to learn how to accept things you cannot change.
Meaning?
Nico, you have to accept things you cannot change. Jenny is no longer in with your deal. So it's high time you deal with it yourself. Jenny is not with me. She's with her husband. Or better still, her husband to be. Excuse me.
What did you just say?
You heard me correctly. Excuse me.
No. Wait. Come. No. We have to do.
Hey, Chidi. How are you? Fine, sir. Why are you here? To see you. Yes. Oh, I know you will not survive it. After I learned that you took over as someone's dead taxi. So tell me. So, that is not the reason why I'm here. Okay, so why are you here? I came to tell you the reason why I stole from your car. Okay. I stole from your car because I want to pay Winnie's bride price. After paying for her bride price, I saw Winnie with another man. As if that is not enough, Winnie laughed at me. I almost killed myself for Winnie. When all these things was happening, I never knew that God has kept the woman I want to marry in a very special place. Thank God for my friend, Ikem, who introduced my wife to be Jenny to me. So, that is the more reason why I'm here. I am here to beg you to accompany me to pay for her bride price. Okay. Anyways, Chidi, a good person. Thank you, sir. You are. And I think I will not only see you to your in-laws place, I will also support you with some of 50,000 euros. Not just that. Okay. I'll give you back the things. Oh, God, you will not kill me with... Oh, God, thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. God bless you, sir. Thank you, sir. You deserve better. Thank you, sir. Don't forget you ate my money and I arrested you. Sir, that was in the past, and I know it will never, ever repeat itself. Because Jenny is not like Winnie. Thank you, sir. It's okay. Once you fix your date, let me know. I'll go with you. Okay? Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Sir, I beg to take my leave, sir. Okay. So that, I need to make some preparations. No problem. Musa? Musa! I can help myself. Okay.
You know what? I have another exclusive plan for you. I will be making you and fetching you lots of love.
And what plan is that?
Actually, the training which I came out with a very good result. Yes, so I actually wanted to use it for my beauty business, but I think I would deploy it and use your car business. I want it to be making lots of money and content.
Are you serious?
Yes. I'm going to take it to social media where people will now have to book you, then you charge them per hour, per minute, and all that. So, making lots of money.
Thank you.
You like that, right?
You see, I am so sorry for everything. I'm sorry for the way I shouted at you. I'm sorry for everything. I never knew you were decent. You're decent and you're just so creative. Just look at the way you're making everything work very fast.
Judy, the very first time I saw you, my heart beats for you. I know it might be hard, strange, or whatever you call it, but it's true. I actually love you.
Well, I'm happy that things are now working out well for my friend. Because it is said that when things is working out well for a friend, he will remember his friend. I know my friend will remember me someday.
The doctor's my friend.
Sir, please, you're not
Let me
allowed.
see the doctor. He's my friend.
Back. No, you're making noise.
Doctor!
Sir, please, go
I said
back.
he's my
Go back. You're
friend.
not allowed here, please, sir. Go back, please.
What is going on?
I told you, the doctor is my friend. So, doctor, good day.
Chidi. Huh? See, Chidi, I cannot see you. I can't see you now. And in fact, Chidi, from now on, you are banned from coming to this hospital.
Doctor, your friend? Doctor, wait. Listen. See, doctor, please. The reason I came here is to inform you that I have a fresh woman. A woman I intend to marry. Now, I want to pay her bride price and perform the little ceremony. So that is why I've come to see you, so that you can escort me to see her people. Then after that, I can be doing it as you have instructed me to always do it.
Very well.
That is why I'm here.
I've heard you. I will join you. Understand? But as you can see now, many patients are waiting for me. Yeah?
I should go?
Yes.
I said I came to invite you.
See, patients are waiting for me. I'll heard what you said. Just go. I wish you well.
Fine, I'll go.
Chidi, goodbye.
I'll go.
Bye.
But,
Chidi, I have heard you. I received your invitation. I will join you. Huh? Go now. Keep to my instruction.
Okay, sir. Okay, doc.
Okay. And tell that woman that's come with her son.
Okay, sir.
To come in 5 minutes.
Okay.
Before I knew it, he slept off. Yeah? Like, he just slept off like that. Do you understand? And I was told that when a woman is pregnant, she needs the warmth of a man.
Hey, are you trying to tell me that something is wrong with Oyen?
See, the only time we managed to even do something, babe, 6 seconds, everything was over. It was even up to 6. About that, everything was over. I'm really worried about this, so I'm afraid. Seriously. I don't understand.
Winnie, you don't have to be. You don't have to be scared of anything. You will continue playing the game like that. Yes, because Onyenko is planning big for you. Seriously. He said he will open a clinic for you immediately we graduate. Number 1. Number 2, he will buy you a house, your own personal house. So be managing it like that. 6 seconds, 5 seconds, manage him like that. Make we get what you want now. What for you?
I know now, but this whole thing is beginning to, I don't know.
No.
Anyway.
See, don't feel anyhow. Just keep 6 seconds, 5 seconds, no problem. Be doing it like that. And be get what you want.
Njabanariaria, Onyenkem. One, I have good news for you. I have shown the world that I am a man, and very soon results will come out. And those that call me names will come begging. Yes, one, Biko, put me in your prayers. Good news they rode. Good news they rode the waka to me. Yes. Yes, they will know that I'm a man. Thank you, one. Not that invalid woman I left at home in the name of a wife. You see how Winnie just took my shot and he said, go. One day, oh my God,
Sir, I'm taking my ride.
Yes, go ahead.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir. It's cheapest cab service. Yes, I'll be there in the next 5 days. Okay, sir. Yes, hello? Yes, you are talking with cheapest cab service. By 3 o'clock. Okay, I'll be there on the dot, sir. Yeah, thank you. I think I'm beginning to like this online transportation. Much cash to cash out. Thanks to my wife, Jenny.
I don't know. She's not helping me either. Huh? She was angry over nothing and never just take light for my side. Huh? Despite drinking Besa and Bagaba, nothing come out.
Onyenko, you don't need to panic. You know she's in the early stage of her pregnancy. Little things get her upset. But don't worry, I'll find out for you. Onyenko, I'm going somewhere. Later, we'll talk on phone.
One day I fuck up, but I go maintain before I go mess up.
Good morning, sir.
GDG. You're welcome.
Oh, sir. Sir, this is the money for 3 days. Today and the next 2 days.
Chidi.
Sir?
You are really doing well.
Thank you, sir.
You know what? My brother from Holland, they just sent a new car. And it will arrive tomorrow. I think you have to drop this old one and take off that one.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Sir, this connection that my wife has given to me,
I am having too many clients now. Too many. So I think I should be needing extra car.
Eh?
Yes, sir. My friend, he came with the driving one. Then I'll be driving one. And at the same time, I will be in charge of the cars.
Chiri.
Yes, sir.
If you continue like this, I might end up lucky to my brother. So you can own your own company.
You don't mean it, Oga? Yes. Oga, I cannot really wait for this dream to come true. I will be the happiest man. To own my own company. Yeah? GK's company.
Don't worry. You get there very soon.
Thank you, sir. God bless you, sir.
You get there.
I appreciate, sir.
You're welcome, man. Let them serve you something now.
Hey. If you try any rubbish, if you try any nonsense with me, I will kill you.
What is your problem? What's your problem, Doris? Onyeku is giving you enough money, so why don't you just let me be?
Just shut up! Let you be for what? Don't you know how to pretend and cover up things? You must learn how to pretend, cover up things. I'm not joking. You better learn it. Else I will stab you. I'm not a joke. Yes!
So what you're saying is that I should continue living in guilt,
yes.
Right?
Continue living in guilt. Do you hear me? You don't have option. You're in forever. You better not risk your life and my life. Because men like Onyenko are very dangerous. They are deadly. So if you're in for life. You don't have a say. Hope you're hearing me. Because I will stab you. Before they get me down, I'll make sure that I kill you, bring out your death time. And I'm not joking. Yes! I will do it. Just let me warn you.
Life no be better frozen. Sometimes it go bad, sometimes it go good. This life no balance, Nothing is meant to last forever. So don't you look down on them and when no get.
Wait. So I am going to be under Chidi's cab service.
Oh yes. And actually it's gonna be best in town.
You can say that again. Honestly, you can say that again. Okay, I'm really happy. This whole thing is working out well. Please, Ikem, I have something to tell you. You see, please be of good kind to the customers. And please, another thing that is bothering me, Ikem, if you ever lose any parts from my car, you know now, you will end up in Kirikiri. Forget the fact that we are just like brothers. What are you feeling like now?
Come on.
Why are you talking as if you've made it? Am I like that? Good day, sir. Yes, I'm cheating. Okay, sir. Okay, street. Okay, I'll be there in 5 minutes, sir. Thank you, sir. Okay. Chidi, why not take the phone? At least, let's start from there.
Okay, someone just booked me, right?
Yes. He want me to. Yes, the last died number. Or the last received number. At least let me spend some time with my Jimmy. Take up all the time, Where is the car key? Yes, okay. Check the cupboard.
Have some customer sense.
See, please don't be rude to them.
Trust me. I'll be back soon.
Please come with good money.
I'm telling you.
You will not stop abusing me.
What is it?
begging you with everything I hold there. Please, leave Ikem for me. Leave his house, please.
Ikem?
Yes.
I don't have any business with Ikem. My only interest is in Chidi.
That's the more reason I want you to leave his house for me.
Why would I leave his house? He's my destiny helper. He's helping me out. So do you want me to be stranded on the streets?
I love him. I'm beginning to love him. Please. I love him. Each day I wake up, I see myself loving him the more. Please. Help me talk to him.
You gonna do a show work with me?
Jimmy, please. 12 o'clock don't knock for my head. Jimmy, please. Help me talk to him. I need to hook up with him. I love him. Please. Please now. I didn't come to fight you. Please.
So when you used to fight me on the road, to give you back the money that you deceived me on top, you don't know. Now you're in love. You, Nico, in love. I don't believe you.
Jenny.
You are up to something.
No.
I know you're up to something.
I swear. I'm not.
You're not up to
we
something.
We are friends, so. It's me.
So you like him?
Yes. You like him? Yes, I love him. Please. I know you'll do it for me.
I have been doing everything to make you happy. But your face is not wearing that sweet umbrella. What is the problem? Oh, you need more cash. Don't worry. Your house and your clinic will pay before you graduate from this.
Chief, don't worry about me. I'll be fine. Just go home to your wife.
Which wife? You are my one and only wife. The woman that is carrying my child is my real wife. Not that one at my house eating all my food. No. You're my wife.
Chief, seriously? I'll be okay. Somebody got me angry, but I'll be fine.
Okay, I know what it is. I will knock you a lot of 100,000 to wipe out your anger. You will see the alert very soon. You will.
Okay, Chief, so things you want to go somewhere. Let me go back into the house.
No problem.
So we won't stop.
You see my lads.
Thank you.
Alright, make you take up, Jaja. Life may be better frozen. Sometimes it go bad, sometimes it go good. This life no balance, Nothing is meant to last forever. So don't you look down on them when no get. Tomorrow if you get you, tomorrow if you make a move, So don't you look down on the man unless say you do look at him shoe. This life in a jeje, do not conclude on anybody. So life in a jeje, hey, person will not get today go.
Hello viewers, this is TV channels. I am Emerald Samuel. Life here we have Boy, Transport Company. Please, can you tell us how you made so much money? You're great, you're everywhere in social media, the TV stations, everywhere. People talk about you. Please, can you tell us about your success?
Before I will say anything, I have to give thanks to the Almighty God who has brought me from the scratch to the top. Well, as well to my honorable friend, he came, who has also been a backbone to me, right from the scratch as well. And also, I have to say a very big thanks to my wife. She introduced me to the online business. So by the grace of God, I believe my wife, she's also a backbone to me. She's the success and the brain behind the success. And as well, they said behind every successful man, there is a woman. So she is a successful woman who has made me a successful man. Wow. So I want to say a very big thanks to my customers who has been patronizing my motor company. Yes. So may the Lord I serve be with you. Thank you. So can I go now?
Yeah. You've heard him. See you later. Next week, same channel, same day. Thank you.
Right. Make you take up, Jaja. Life no be bed of roses. Sometimes you go bad, sometimes you go good. This life no balance, Nothing is meant to last forever. So don't you look down on them when no get. Tomorrow if you get you, tomorrow if you make a move, So don't you look down on the man unless say you do look at him shoe. This life in Nigeria, do not conclude on anybody. So life in Nigeria, hey, person will not get today, go figure tomorrow. I said this life Nigeria. So make we take come so easy.
Hey, ordinary chief. They go to chief. Ordinary taxi driver. What the go?
Life can be bed of roses. Sometimes you go bad, sometimes you go good. This life no balance.
Not because my money. Hey, I need to cash out my money.
So don't you look down on them when no get. Tomorrow if you get you, tomorrow if you make a move, So don't you look down on them man unless say you do look at him shoe. This life in Nigeria, do not conclude on anybody. So life in Nigeria, hey, person will not get today, go figure tomorrow. I said this life Nigeria, so make we take come so easy. Original. Oh na na na, oh na na. Now so we there for the corner, they watch the left by the price out. They say na person we get money, na him go they chop the honey. If you go, I say nene, honey na money, honey na money. If you no get money, hide your face out. Make you hide your face out. I sure you don't hear them say money na honey. Now the highest bid that we go give the bullshit. Now him go the bench. They don't talk and say money na honey. So if you no get the money, make you hide your face. Make you hide your face. Because honey na money. Honey na money. Honey na money. Money na honey. Money na honey. Honey na money, honey na money, oh honey na money, money na honey, money na honey, honey na money. So we there for the corner, they watch the left by the price out. They say na person we get money, na him go they chop the honey. If you go, I say nene, honey na money, honey na money. If you no get money, hide your face out. Make you hide your face out. I sure you don't hear them say money na honey. I now the highest bid that we go give the bullshit. Now him go the bench. They don't talk say money na honey. So if you no get the money, make you hide your face. Make you hide your face. Because honey na money. Honey na money. Honey na money. Money na honey. Money na honey. Honey na money. Honey na money.
I heard that Chidi is now a winner of Grand Bag Entrepreneur of the Month. Chidi Okoye can't sell it.
So you're talking about that news now?
Yes, so.
Chidi is now a big boy in town.
It's a lie.
Chidi's taxi company is one of the best in town. Chidi is now a big boy.
Ha.
As I'm even talking to you, me and my elder sister are planning of paying a visit.
Like I'll go with 2 people.
Why now?
I'll go. I'm your friend.
No, you don't need to come with us. So Chidi does not know you.
But since Chidi know you, I'll come with you.
You know these big men, they don't like much visitor. He's our neighbor. He knows me and my elder sister. So you don't need to come with us.
Chidi that I'm your friend. It's me.
Chidi did not know you.
Me, you want now?
Okay, anyway.
Jenny, thank you for being the sunshine in my life. I am so happy. Thank you once again.
And you're the color that brightens my day and that of my unborn child.
Jenny, are you telling me you're pregnant?
Yeah, I am. I'm 6 weeks gone.
Come on, just tell me you're joking. Are you serious?
Yes.
Come on, are you serious? Thank you. I'm so happy. Like, seriously? Come on, let me hear it. Yeah, my baby boy is kicking. Yeah, it's gonna be a boy, you know. Oh, don't you think so?
A girl.
No, come on, let's go for the boy first.
No, a girl is better.
Oh, it's okay. It's alright, I'm happy. Whichever one that comes, okay? A boy, a girl, I'm cool, okay?
Yeah.
I just want to be a father. And have a lovely and the most beautiful woman in my life as my wife.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Please, I beg you. I plead to be with you. Jenny is the pride of our people. And her husband is in the news. Please. I wish I never allowed my situation lead me to selling my...
Do not go there. Nicole, listen to me. I do understand what you're saying, right? I can aid you out of this dirty business of yours. Trust me. But what I do not have to promise you right now is marriage. Not at all. Right?
I understand. At least you said for now. I know that it will come later.
Well, like I said, I do not want to promise you marriage for the now, right? Maybe I can link you up to something. Link you into doing something for yourself. Get you engaged with something that can help and better your life, right? That's okay. That's okay. Smile. Makes you better.
Let me at least perform the bride ceremony to secure the gold as called inside the one. If I'm not able to pay your dowry, one idiot might come along and claim to be the father.
Please let your people know who the father is now. Bless.
Thank you. Chief, the truth is that I'm not ready for this. This whole work experiment and all, I'm not thinking towards that direction right now. So just give me some time, okay?
What time are you talking about? You will be graduating from school next month. And the better don't begin to show small. Please allow me to do the right thing now. Because
Chief, you said you worry too much. Eh? You worry too much now. Calm down. Okay, you know what? Don't worry, there's no problem. We will do it. But just give me some time. When I'm ready, I'll tell you. Is that okay?
I know you want to.
Yes.
My doctor.
Look at you.
You're looking good.
Man, you look better, man. Look at that.
Thank you, doctor.
Chidi, my stubborn friend. Man, look at you. You're everywhere. The other day, the nurse were shouting, Doctor, come and watch your friend. They are watching you on television.
Oh, like seriously?
I said, that's my friend.
Yes.
So how you doing?
I'm fine.
Man, you're really fine.
Thank you.
Yes.
Doctor, my wife is pregnant.
Are you serious?
Yes. So I want to register her in your hospital for her antenatal. So the reason why I came is to get the details on how she can get registered in your hospital.
There's no problem. You're my very good friend. You know, we have been fighting all this since so many years now. And now I'm happy that everything up. Yes. What you have to do is that first thing tomorrow morning, you have to bring her to the hospital. We have to examine her. I know the stage of the pregnancy. I am with you.
Just that.
Chidi, I am with you. No problem.
It's done.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
No, you don't have it.
Please, before I forget, I'm inviting you to my house for a get-together party.
Are you serious?
The big boys sit out.
Oh, big boys sit out.
And I believe my own doctor is as well.
Oh, you can't permit me. You know, I want work time. But I will make it up to you.
Thank you very much.
Oh, Chidi. The superstar. Yes.
I'll take my leave.
Oh, no problem.
Thank you.
Oh, you can come into my office anytime you want.
It's alright.
Yes, you're welcome.
It's alright.
Oh,
thank you.
Greet your wife for me. Hey, Chidi, my friend. He was scared of talking to women, not of.
Listen to me. I am not joking. If you ruin my plan, hey God, if you scatter things for me, I will kill you. Yes, it is not a threat. I am telling you what I will do. Onyenko promised me 10 million naira as soon as he finished paying your diary. And you must not mess things up. I am telling you, I am not joking. I have given you life.
Doris, hello. Hi, Minnie.
Hi. I have given you a life. If you try to mess mine up, I will kill you. I will buy you, bury you, nothing will happen.
Doris, what is it? Why is it all about money for you? Why? Huh? Don't you have any conscience?
Conscience kill you there. Make conscience scatter your generation. You're very stupid. Yes, it's about money for me. What is this life without money? I'm asking you. I'm not joking. My eyes, they're red. They choke. You see that 10 million naira? If I don't get it, hey God.
Why make you take up jaja? Life no be better frozen. Sometimes it go bad, sometimes it go good. This life no balance.
How? When? Why?
She left before sunrise. All her vital belongings are out. I can't believe she would do this kind of thing after everything I did for that idiot.
How can that ingrate run away with my baby? I have done just about everything for her.
Hey!
I've even done things she never asked for.
Yeah?
What have I done wrong now? Huh? Why me?
The worst is that Her 2 numbers are switched off. I can't reach her. No way to even call her. Eh? Is this not wickedness?
This girl is heartless.
My uncle, I have to go back to work before they starts calling my name. Eh? But don't worry, I will
Please
try.
keep
Yes.
searching.
Yeah, I will try.
Keep searching.
I will try. Okay,
Alright.
thank you.
Thanks for your cooperation.
I'll give you enough money that will last you for 6 months. And then me, I have enough that will last me for a month or 2. Okay?
But my daughter, I need to know what you are hiding from. What are you running away from? It's because of police, so. Yeah? You know I am a poor widow here. And I am very comfortable staying in this village, in this quiet place. I want to know what is going on. Adam, what is it?
Mama, the truth is that I have issues with my boyfriend. I have issues with him, and I just want to forget him. That is why I have to change, environment, everything. And then while I'm also trying to forget him, he can forget about me when he doesn't see me around. That's just why I'm here. And then when I'm sure that he has forgotten everything about me, I'll just go back to my normal life. That's it, Mama.
It's okay, my daughter. It's okay. You are welcome to my small house. This is your house now. Don't worry. Time heals everything. Time will heal your heart. You'll be fine. We'll stay together. You'll be fine. Thank you. Okay. I hope you are sure he wants to forget about you.
Mama, he needs to forget about me so that we can all move on.
I am confused, Akuna Takasi. I have gone to all the police stations, all to no avail. The girl ran away with the gold that has caught in the net. My wife at home claims that I am wasting my time, that the child is not mine. That I'm not a man. But I have proven to her that I am more than a man with one shot. What have I done to my enemies, Akuna Takasi? I have made all the money. Now they don't want me to enjoy my money by having a child or children. I must find her. Wherever she may be, I am going to find her. I must find her. I must find her. Yes. Okay. Any success? Any luck?
I searched everywhere, but I couldn't find her.
I don't understand. You're going with me to see Chidi. As what?
Sister, Chidi is our neighbor now. I overheard you making call with him that since Mohammed cannot come to the mountain will go to the Mohammed. I want to go and see him too now.
Can you imagine? So you and I now will not share Chidi. Like I'm going to see Chidi, you want to follow me. At your age, you're doing, if mountain doesn't go to Mohammed, Mohammed should go to mountain. Is that what you should be thinking of right now?
Oh, sister, I have to go with you this time. Oh. Please, I have to disobey this time. I want to go and see Chidi too now.
My friend, get inside. I don't want to see you with me. Are you hearing me? I'm talking you. Come on, my friend. Did you get inside here? I'm going out.
Why make you think I'm judging? Life no be better frozen. Sometimes it go bad, sometimes it go good. This life no balance, Nothing is meant to last it forever. So don't you look down on them when no get. Tomorrow if you get you, tomorrow if you make a move, So don't you look down on the man unless say you do look at him shoe. This life in Nigeria, do not conclude on anybody. So life in Nigeria, hey, person will not get today, go figure tomorrow. I said this life Nigeria, so make we take come so easy.
I am parked outside your gate. Yes, right in front of the gate. Okay.
I have searched everywhere for that idiot. I couldn't find her. I went to the places I know she would be. Nowhere to be found. Yes.
This is the handwork of my wife. I saw her eyes red this morning and I knew she has committed something. This is a woman who cannot give me a child. And I'm sure she must have tracked and paid Winnie off to kill my child. Doris, I am going to finish that woman.
I think our former boyfriend's hand is a case. Because he is now rich. I mean Chidi.
It's not true. I sent some CIDs over there and they told me that the young man is happily married. As a matter of fact, his wife is heavily pregnant. So it is not about him looking for a child. It is my wife, Ego. I will kill that woman. Let's go.
Okay, take care. I will still try and be doing my findings. So Winnie just want to put me in trouble. Eh? Witch, big witch. Don't want me to make money. There's no problem. Okay.
Make you take up, life not be better frozen. Sometimes it go bad, sometimes it go good. This life no balance, Nothing is meant to last it forever. So don't you look down on them when no get. Tomorrow if you get you, tomorrow if you make a move, So don't you look down on them man.
Are you mad? No, are you stupid? You walked into my house. The first question you ask me is, where is Winnie? Am I Winnie's keeper? I'm asking you, is something wrong with you? Huh? Just get out of my house! Come on, say about boys from Yala. I said, come on, get out of boys from Yala. Nonsense. Witches and wizards. Rubbish things. Is it what that is even giving me bad luck? Where is this bad luck coming from? You better not bring me wherever you kept out. Because this money from Chief, if I don't get it, you don't get no. Nonsense. Nah, I need to make this money. I can put a plan to myself. Even that latest car I was supposed to buy. Chief promised to buy. What kind of problem is this one? Eh? Where is this girl? Can you control this girl again now? My money ain't going to be very, very important. Eh?
Sometimes it go bad, sometimes it go good. This life no balance, Nothing is meant to last it forever. So don't you look down on them when no get. Tomorrow if you get you, tomorrow if you make a
I'm coming. Let me go to the market and buy something.
Wow, which market are you going to buy what? Eh? I have been thinking about you going out safe. I'm not going to any market because one. Since after the war, the very first time since after the war, I saw policemen and soldiers parading everywhere, asking questions about a certain girl they were looking for. I don't want a certain girl. I could just be you. My mind was just going to where you are. So, Pico Winnie, tell me, what crime did you commit? I am saying this because of police. If they find you and come to my house and find you finally, I will be in a big problem.
Mama, you worry too much. I did not do anything now. Yes, I just want to go and buy something here. I'm coming. Nothing will happen to me. don't worry.
It's okay, but be careful.
Okay.
When you are going, don't talk to anybody, because by the time you come back, I must have gone to the farm. That remaining yam, boil it. I don't know what you're going to buy, but just boil it and mix it with oil. Don't talk to anybody. Don't ask any. Just mind your way.
Sometimes you go bad, sometimes you go good. This life no balance, nothing is meant to last forever. So don't you look down on the man. Tomorrow if you get you.
And all thanks to you for making it global. I'm really happy and I can't stop thanking you enough.
Baby, together we'll build this empire. I will take it higher and higher and higher and higher. My baby and I, we're so happy to have you. We love you so much.
And how's my baby doing?
What do you think? You're bouncing.
This time it's gonna be a boy.
Whatever.
It's alright, I'm so happy, I'm really happy. Finally made
it. Life could be better frozen. Sometimes you go bad, sometimes you go good. This life no balance, nothing is meant to last forever. So don't you look down on the man when no get. Tomorrow if you get you, tomorrow if you make a move, so don't you look down on the man unless say you do look at him shoe. This life in a jeje, you not concrete on anybody, so life in a jeje.
My friends! My friends! Oh, you can go, okay? Bye, don't worry, I'll meet you up. Yeah?
Alright, take care tomorrow.
Bye!
Wow.
Bye! The police intelligence linked her movement between Omasi village to Otani. Some people also said they saw someone like her trying to rent an apartment there. So please, I would like you to go there and rent an apartment. Please. I need to get her. I also need to get that money from Onyenko. Because my man's business is trying to crumble. And I need that money to set up my life. To achieve everything I have planned for my life. Please. Listen, if everything works out, if everything goes well, I will give you 1 million naira.
Wow, 1 million?
Yes.
Well, you don't have to worry yourself on an issue like this, okay? I, Spaku, can handle this, and I know how to go about it.
You came highly recommended. So please, I beg, make you know for my handle.
No, don't worry. We'll deliver it, okay? Don't be afraid.
I believe.
Well.
This life in a jeje, do not conclude on anybody. So life in a jeje, hey, person will not get today, go figure tomorrow. I said this life in a jeje, so make we take come so easy.
How are you?
Mama, I'm okay.
I know you are fighting a just cause. And I want you to know that I am right behind you. I stand with you in all of them. But I also want you to know that you're putting the lives of your parents at risk by not letting them know what is happening. You're keeping them in the dark. It's not good. Don't you think it's better we let them know what is going on?
My father is late. And my uncle loves money so much. He loves money so much. Even my mother is under his brutal control. I rarely relate things like this to them. If you ask me, I think it's better I don't even let them know. I would rather just keep it Seriously, yes, ma.
It's okay. I will still support you.
Thank you,
Yes,
Mama.
still, I will still support you.
Thank you.
I'll just remember them in prayers so that this thing will not turn bad. You know, go.
Amen.
Have you eaten today?
I'm not hungry.
You have to eat something. Let me get you that vegetable.
Thank you, Mom.
Honestly, I'm confused. I am so confused. The fact that she's a changed person. All the girls have deserted the hotel. They're now into one business or the other. But Nicole. No. I don't think I can marry Nicole.
Why?
Why? Nicole was an addicted sex worker. I can't comprehend it. It came, thank God you said Nicole was an addicted sex worker. Now, that is to say, it was in the past. Listen, I once rejected Jenny. But as I speak to you, Jenny is the sunshine in my life. And I swear, she is the honey that attracted the money. So come on, come off this your whatever thing you're talking about. See, be a man and hit the point. You don't understand, do you? Jenny is a different case study. You know why? She never practiced at all. But that of Nicole has virtually slept with all the people I know. So you see, you can compare the both of them. Okay. You know what? Go for a test. Then, if she's clean, make her your wife. So easy. And be fast about that. Beg your pardon? Yes. Chidi, you do not understand. Honestly, you do not understand. Ike, whosoever that is good for you to ride is also good to be your wife. So why not forget about the past and face the future? Come on, be a man. Oh, come on, Ike. Why do you keep talking about this? I don't know. Come on, just go for first. See, she's good. She's really serious.
Yes, ma'am, and I was told you have a room here to let out.
Oh, the last room I have rented it out to one keke driver. And he just told me that he wants to travel back to his village to get his cleaning things. I don't know when he's coming back. So you can just try down the road.
You know that place?
Yes.
Down.
Go down the road. Our neighbors, they have one.
You said down.
Down, Nan. Go. Try there. Thank you. Can you imagine? A palm wine tapper. Looking this fresh. Who are you deceiving? Eh? I know the ways of the investigators. In my days as during the Civil War, as a nurse, I know how the investigators do their work. So you can't deceive me. See, my woman must be protected. And she has to be protected. I will beat all of you face down. You're I don't have.
Oh na na na, oh na na, na so we there for the corner, they watch it, they let by the price out. They say na person we get money, na him go they chop the honey. If you go, I say nene, honey na money, honey na money. If you don't get money, hide your face out. Make you hide your face out. I sure you don't hear them say money na honey. I now the highest bid that we go give the bench. Now him go the bench. They don't talk.
If any of you have any concrete information on how we can track Winnie, do not forget to report to any nearby police station. Or better still, call my personal line. Do you all understand me?
Yes, sir.
Officer, even the car that I bought for her, I have sent the driver that usually take her to wherever she goes to see if she can be found. All to no avail. So I hope you give them proper instruction that anyone that knows her whereabouts should not hesitate to bring the information. Winnie must be found. Did I make myself clear?
Yes, sir.
Find them, sir.
Say money na honey. I now the highest bid that we go give the bench. Now him go the bench. They don't talk say money na honey. So if you no get the money, make you hide your face. Make you hide your face. Because honey na money. Honey na money. Honey na money. Money na honey. Money na honey. Honey na money. Honey na money. Honey na money. Oh, honey na money. Money na honey. Money na honey. Honey na money.
Sparkle, tell me you are not joking.
I'm a very smart guy, and I play smartly too.
Okay, I'll be waiting for you.
You won't have to go.
How can you tell me to relax? My wife is in detention and she's not saying anything. How can that stupid girl run away with my child, my generation, and you're telling me to relax?
Yeah, when I say relax, just relax. Because he gets wild. I know why.
Doris, you don't know. You don't know. I promised you 10 million naira. If I can have that child, they say is a boy. Now I am making it 20 million naira. Yes. I have money and I want my generation. Remember, your man is broke. Find her wherever she is and make 20 million naira. 20 million naira, Doris. Obro Belife.
Oyanko, mark my word. I will catch her anywhere she is. I will bring her to you.
Please.
I promise you.
Please.
There's no problem.
At the moment.
No problem.
What's wrong with this girl? She likes doing this. See how she's keeping me waiting under this hot sun. Eh? I don't like this thing you're doing. So I said you're fond of doing this thing. I bet let's go, Joe. Be cool. Have you heard what? So, how's that my business?
You know the other day Chief came and he shared money. That whosoever that have Winnie's information should let him know.
I'm aware.
Okay, what about the money he shared for us? What will happen to it? Have you thought of it?
How is that my business now? Look at Mokoro, my dear. As a matter of fact, I have spent my own. I will not come and kill myself for Winnie. What? When they were enjoying, did they remember us? When Chief bought Winnie car, did Winnie carry me for one day? When Chief's friend bought Doris car, did Doris carry me? In fact, that day she almost poured me water. So if Winnie is missing, how is that my business? They should go and look for Winnie. That's not my job here.
Baby, calm down.
Babe, if you don't even know, let me tell you, Seth. I was even thinking of, now, calling Chief, let him find me like 100K, let me use and tidy some school thing.
Hey, God, I fear no fear you.
Hey, what? Kwanuna?
So because you bought Winnie car, you bought Doris car, so now you want to go and collect 100,000 naira.
When I finally, Chief will notice me. I told you the other day, Chief need to notice me.
Clean your mouth.
Rest.
That's so wicked of you. How can you be happy that she's busy? My friend, come, let's go. That's very bad.
Rubbish.
Stand there, don't move.
Winnie, anywhere you are, whether dead or alive, I must catch you. Dead or I don't mind, I'll go spiritual for you. You dey mad? 20 million. Okay.
Fool. Come on.
Somebody help me! Somebody help me!
Listen, come on.
What are you looking for? Eh? What is it again?
Madam.
Yes?
My name is Detective Ben. I'm from the police headquarters.
Oh, police. Police, welcome, sir.
I'm here for your daughter. Where is she?
They've taken my daughter. Oh. I don't know. Kidnappers, they've kidnapped my daughter. Yeah? They took her today. They came here, just here, in this house. Everything happened here. Yeah? Before I know it, they've gone with my
block the exit leading from Obanam to 74. She has just been kidnapped. I'm heading your way.
Police, should I go with you?
I'll get back to you.
Please, let me go with you. I know what is going on. What kind of person go do in house? The two one person go dey follow am. I dey my house here. I go dey under my eye. This guy go just enter problem like that. They will come and take her from this small house here. What is this nonsense? Who have I offended? I am here. I won't go anywhere. I am here. They come and take me too. They come and kidnap me. Why would they kidnap me? They come and take me. I will be here. I'm not going anywhere. What kind of nonsense? Trouble they sleep in, I get a wake up. They take a problem.
You fool! Told you.
Oh, please, stop hurting me, please.
Stop hurting you.
Said this life not so make we take come so easy.
Gosh! So it was you. Gosh, how did I even underrate you? How?
Come on, shut up!
I just regret letting you into my life. I hate you.
Shut up your dirty mouth. Useless thing. I once told you that I am a girl on a mission. Money, yes, money. You're very stupid. You belong to Onyenko. And to Onyenko alone.
Gosh. Doris, how can you be so evil? How?
You better maintain, oh. You better calm down, oh. Because if anything happens to my jackpot is in your womb. Don't allow anything happen to that child. Else I will kill you. I will buy you. You will go feed mad.
Hey!
Rush.
Hey! Escape! Just get! This way, just get! How did I let this happen? Oyanko, the worst has happened though. I want to know about this since I was calling you this. Come here. I have kidnapped this girl. You're wasting time. Eh? You need a bogey. The girl has escaped though. She has escaped though. Yes. You better come and see for yourself. I told you to come since now. You never let my... This guy is a devil. So this guy has this kind of strength. So what about Jackie? Smack up! Yeah, where are those fools? Smack up!
Doris. Where? I should make right, and then left, and then right again. I am confused. I think I have passed the junction that will take me straight to the place, and then I'll blow straight. My brain is not working right. Okay, let me turn and connect again. Remember to make the right at the next junction. Okay, sir.
Right, make you take up jaja. Life no be better frozen. Sometimes it go bad, sometimes it go good. This life no balance, yeah. Nothing is meant to last forever. So don't you look down on them when no get. Tomorrow if you get you, tomorrow if you make a move, So don't you look down on the man unless say you do look at him shoe. This life in Nigeria, do not conclude on anybody. So life in Nigeria, hey, person will not get today, go figure tomorrow. I said this life Nigeria, so make we take come so easy.
Come on. I am tired of this whole thing. It appears to me now like it's a game. If not for that reason, do you think I'll be walking around this whole bush, taking all these risks because I'm looking for a child? Where is she? You must show me today. You better come and show me where she is.
Chief, leave me alone. Even me, I'm tired. What is it? Eh? What is it? I'm also tired. Look how you've been dragging me under the sun. Trekking long distance because we're looking for somebody I don't even know where she is. In fact, let me just tell you the truth. In fact, all this drama will just end once and for all. So I'll stop walking under the sun for nothing. That baby is not your baby. Huh? Yes, it's Chidi's child.
Hey!
I was just taking money from you so I can use to help my life.
Hey!
Chief, what is it? Hey! How are you, Chief?
That's not my time! And you've been letting me off! And you've been leading me on all this while. You know that the child is not mine. How wicked can you be? What a wicked world! Serves you right. Serves you right.
has since moved into his mansion in GRA now.
Mansion. Chidi. TV. How?
Chidi is now the CEO of Chi Boy Cab Services. Their services are the best in town. My dear, let me even gist you. Ever since his wife Jenny came into his life has changed for good. My dear, Chidi Cab is the best in town, like the best in this country.
Oh my God. Are you serious? Okay, please, I just need to see him. Do you know how I can reach him? Do you know where he stays? I really need to talk to him. Please. I need to see him.
I don't really know, but ask Donka. Donka could actually be the one to direct you on how to meet them.
Okay, please. Maybe I should go and see Donga. At least I know Mr. Donga's house. Okay, let me go. Thank you.
Hey, wahala. Even Winnie. Who knows Winnie would chase Chidi like this? Just because Chidi is not a big boy, everybody is running after Chidi. This life, eh? But that reminds me, I think I need to go and see Chidi. Because the way everybody is going about, myself, I need to take my own lion share. Alright, Winnie.
You know, Chidi, like I told you, you have to forgive.
That's correct.
Just forgive her. You know, you're a big man now. You have all the money in the whole world. And you're everywhere on the social media. Forgive her, nothing.
Well, it's alright.
Yeah. Okay?
This well, I've heard you. I will consider. So I have to be on my way. Yes.
What is she doing here?
Please, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you.
Leave! If she doesn't leave here, please, Chidi, calm down. I am leaving. I said leave, Chidi!
I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to. It was Doris that said confusing. She said when there's no money, there can be no money. Please, I'm sorry.
Honey means your body and your attention.
There's a problem. And you believed. You listened to her.
I know I shouldn't have. Please forgive me, please. I'm sorry. Please help me beg him. He came, please.
And who is this man? You came with him?
No. That's how she got out here. Yes, everything you said is true. You are truly born of your father. You see, Doris and Winnie here deceived me, had me believe that I am the father of the child inside Winnie's womb. They have extorted all kinds of money from me. They have put me through all kinds of mind-boggling, heartbreaking, emotional moments. But at the end of the day, Doris told me the truth, that I'm not the father of the child. That is why I'm here, so that we can reconcile this.
I'm sorry. Chief, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to deceive you. But Doris wanted the baby by all means so she can get money from you. In fact, she threatened me. The day she threatened me with a knife, I recorded it with my phone. I can play the recording for you. It's in my phone, in my auntie's house. Please, I'm sorry.
Well, Winnie, there won't be any need for that, okay? Because I am happily married with a pregnant wife. And also, thanks to my friend, he made me who I am today. So, I'm a happy man. In that case, I think that settles it. Let me go ahead and marry her and keep the child. No. The child belongs to me. But you can marry her. You can keep Winnie for all I care. But that child in that home, the womb belongs to me.
Life no be better frozen. Sometimes you go bad, sometimes you go good. This life no balance, yeah. Nothing is meant to last forever. So don't you look down on them when no get. Tomorrow if you get you, tomorrow if you make a move, so don't you look down on the man unless say you do look at him shoe. This life in Nigeria, do not conclude on anybody. So life in Nigeria.